Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Ford Territory stock number 5965. This ran from 04 2011 to the 12 2016. It's a 2.7 litre diesel 6-cylinder engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2.7 litre diesel engine. The front headlight, front bonnet no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear spare wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard 1 dent. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear stick. AC controls. Factory sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.